Look, there is something on the top. Yeah, we're going, Stefan, to Iron Boy. The small tiny boy. We need to think about some wish. Hey, let's go and see this. Oh, what is that from that side? It's like a big beautiful church. Look how nice. Oh, this church is beautiful. There is a palace. Wow. This is so nice. I still don't look, the architecture here is so, it's like mix of different things. Wow. Who is that? Yeah, at night time it's very hard to see. But I like the lights out there. So is that something written and I cannot read this language. Mannequin. That's what I was thinking. No, it is not. It's not a pinboard. It is not. In Brussels, yes. Something written in Latin and the upper part. Latin. I don't know how to read it. This way. So nice. Look. Keep calm and eat vegan. It's a vegan restaurant. Wow. Pasta fish. By the way, I also tried the wine today. Swedish wine. It was good. We were just having a meal with fish and their like traditional Swedish meal, and I was trying wine. It was good. It was not very dry. It was house sweet, I guess. It was very good wine, and then also ice cream, blueberry ice cream, and it was so different. I never tried ice cream like that. I actually didn't want it, but they forced me. My friend just forced me to everything. I mean, about this to try, and the ice cream was so delicious. It was really delicious, like in the northern countries, a red light means stop. In the south, A red light means you can go. Oh, really? Just be a little careful. Oh, really? Swedish wine, really? Never heard of that. There's just some turning right is allowed, which are the countries have to pass straight one red. Yeah, I also never heard about that one. The restaurant, or did they cook? No, they cooked for me. Oh my god, I came to them. Oh look, the church. I came to them. Oh my god, my friend cooked a lot of things. She cooked some chicken with the rice, and there they did some toast with garlic, something, a lot of stuff. And then also they had ice cream. I thought, like, really guys, I'm not hungry, come on, no. I refused that, and it was very bad because I really was not hungry, and I felt like no, I cannot eat, I don't want it. And then it's good that her mother, I didn't see her mother, I saw mother was at work. I think if mother were there, she would force me. I think Vika told, like, yes, mother at work, she will ask me what did you eat, and then she would be angry with me. I was like, what? Tell her that you proposed me, don't worry. And then we went to the to that south, was so beautiful, and that brought me to some place where, like, a lot of people just chill next to the river. It was some nice restaurants, and we sat, and it was so, like, everything so delicious, so beautiful, dreamy. I was very good, yeah, in the restaurant. The sauce of the dish was like a creamy, buttery. It's like a, everything was swimming in it, like, and it was soury, which I like. The soury taste I really liked, you know, with some vegetables and fish and potatoes, and the wine, and it was very, very good. Satundrak, how are you? Many things had changed back. Where? Oh my god, look at this. This is some palace. Is that still that royal palace? Oh yeah, we are exploring all of this at night. Oh, there is a guard. Wait, what? There's a guard. It's alive. Standing. Oh. It's a girl. It's a girl. Wow. Can I make a picture of her? What do you think? How to make a picture of all of this? Oh. So cool. So cool. Cannons. Kev's Adventure, hello. How are you? Nice to see you. Welcome. Oh, there's another card. Something. to go. By which way? It's in the middle. Maybe this way. Good, how are you? You're coming to Navi too? No, I don't. Not this time, not this time. I'm not coming to Norway. Ramastan. Hey, Gruvlex, yay! Yes. Rick's telephone. What? What is this telephone? What is this? What does that mean? Historic phone. Phone was 100 years old telephone. 100 years old? No one wants to go to Norway. I'm sure it's beautiful. Lars, why no one wants? The old phone. Did we come to an old? Yes, we came to that square. Oh, look how beautiful here. Nice. It's a little bit dark. Rika, the country kingdom. Ah, okay, thank you, thank you. I'm so too. I prefer Poland more cheap. Ah, okay. Oh, at night it's so nice. Look. Also. These famous buildings. I love it. I love this picture square. Picture square. Square. Oh my god, guys, I remember the taste of the fish. I thought I would forget it. I remember the taste of the fish. It's registered. Ah, I wish I would. I wish I forget this. Maybe. Oh my God! I remember it. It just somehow is still around. Very typical Scandinavian architecture. It's beautiful. What's going on in the chat? What was that? I don't want you to fight here, please. Because I really... I wanted to have a... I want you to have to be in peace with each other. That's my dream. You try the sour herring. Sour herring, it's not herring. It is like how you call it, surströmming. It's a smelly, ugly fish that we tried today. But finally, I tried. Nobody else. We were with my friends. They didn't want. No, one friend were opening, another were utilize this all. They helped me a lot. And I was just trying. They were victim of my challenge. Yeah, the street. There are metal guys here somewhere. Why is this street? It's very weird. This street? He's also searching for metal rod because his ambitions here. Maybe it's here. Привіт, Ден! Дуже рада тебе чути, може бачити. Що нема, справді для твоїх. Ей, Ден, як в тебе справи? Це ти кажи, як в тебе справи. It's a church. I see it. A metal boy. Even at night some tourists here. Look. It's very visible, it's very small. It is so small. Tiny, someone put flowers in it. Yeah, I cannot see it even. I need to change the focus. You guys, okay. I need to change the focus. Give me.
Does she have all the strings? All the strings? Just if I used to.
Oh my god, I'm so good. I just wanted to go home. Now let's check if it works. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you see? Yeah, that was in settings. So now we need to put some coin and my friend told me that we need to just give me a second. We need to It's just, if it's a story about him, it's just a smaller statue. In here. Small statue here. What is it? Finnish church. I didn't know. Has connection been fine? Yeah. Grouplex, I'm streaming with your card by the way. I'm just super good. Yeah. I'm already losing coins. We'll put some more coins. Think about some wish, guys. We can all do it together, and we need to do like this. Okay. So you put a coin, and you need to do. Wait. Let me think about some wish. Let me think about some wish. That's it. Все добре, активна дія багато ворожої активності. Скоро поїдемо, мабуть, ще на схід, і все буде ще цікавіше. Багато що змінюється, можливо, скоро я на польське спекельне місце. Ого, бережи себе, Ден, будь ласочка. Who is he? It's the smallest statue and a metal boy. Small statue here. Similar harmony. Similar harmony. Okay. So remember, the car doesn't work that well in Norway. It is kind of hilarious, but yeah, I might be able to delegate some data to you if you go here. But it is kind of funny. It works pretty in the USA, but in Norway it used to be. Oh, right? Really? Wow. That's interesting. Maybe in Norway my card will be working then, because it's yeah, in Norway should even my card work there. That's interesting. Why? Andy, hello. How are you? Welcome. Reminds very much of Tallinn town. Ah, really? Okay. Reminds me of the cathedral on the body. Ah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. For me, it's unique. Everything unique. Statue. Who is that? Gomes Diaz, what? Diaz Disa. Gomez. Gorens. Oh wait, is it a dragon one? Oh wait, I was pointing this on the map. Oh my god. Wait. Is it a dragon? Yes. He's fighting with the dragon. Do you see? Okay, it's hard to see. This is dragon under. And this obviously on the horse. Unsigned dragon. Dragon one. I don't know. Let's go together. Got similar architecture. A lot of details. Yeah, it's just feels like it's very like skeleton dragon or something.